Welcome back, YouTube. I'm Larry with Buy Low Trades, and today we're going to go over some of the picks we made over the weekend that blew up over 100% this week alone. We're also going to make a few more picks that we think have potential to blow up for next week, so make sure you hit that notification bell and stay up to date with all of our new videos. So without further ado, let's get into it. Look at this FUSEF. We called this one, I believe, around 6 cents. It went up to 19 cents. Today alone, it was up 129%. So congratulations all the guys that get in on that one. The guys and girls who made tons of money, I am proud of you. I made a good profit on this one. All right, we called this one TMDI. We called this one right around, I believe, $1.99. It was on our Instagram story, so make sure you add us on there. But Instagram stories, $1.99 this morning in pre-market. We picked this one up, and this one ran up today, up 53%, but I believe it went higher than that. Let's take a look at the chart just real quick. And don't mind this. Let me get this off the screen for you. And this thing ran all the way up. It's a 50-minute chart, so we ran up to about $3. So we hit about $3 on this thing, called it at $1.99. Great profit. And then last but not least, actually it is least, it's our least gainer here, but still, we called this thing sitting around $1.10, $1.11, and if you sold it at the top of that candle, you would have made, if you made a perfect entry and exit when we called it, you'd be sitting on about 36% gain, just around there right now. So that's a pretty good gain. That's something definitely to be proud of. So some big gainers there. Let's take a look at what we're going to get into possibly next week. All right, here I have up the day chart, and let's not take a look at that because this here will make you go blind. So let's see what else they have. All right, here we have an intelligent automation provider, Teleconet, I don't know if I'm saying that right, releases cutting edge smart thermostat. Take a look at this thing. Oof, this thing is pretty. Now, this thing is, it really is actually pretty good looking. I'm not going to lie. So this is something I would purchase. I don't know what the price points are on this, but it is a product. I like it. I want to invest. So take my money. Now looking back at this crazy chart, this is a day chart, and we have over here, it looks like a candle is just running up. So let's take a look a little closer at a 4-hour chart. Bear with me. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, here we go. We have a support line somewhere around 2-3 cents. This thing again ran all the way up to a high of 8 cents. So it went through the roof. When this thing comes down a little bit, I would consider buying it, but this thing is definitely something I would keep an eye on going forward as it's being an OTC. I know some of you can't trade it, so I apologize for that, and I will find you some other picks. And here is that pick for you guys. It's CLSN. This thing is not an OTC, so I believe you can get in on it. I hope you can. Anyway, this thing is a little high on the RSI right now. I'm looking for a pullback. This is a 1-hour chart. So this thing's trading at 134. Its low today was 114. Its high today is currently 139, and it just hit it. It is 21% up, and this thing is starting to run up right now. So I would definitely keep an eye on this one. Again, this is about 3 o'clock during the trading day. This thing has ran up all the way up there. So let's take a look, 15-minute chart. And it just recently hit this 111 mark and just ran up from there. So take a look at this one, and this is why. So I found this article from Directors Talk Interviews. Celsian Corporation consensus indicates potential 344% upside. I would love 344%, but I won't be greedy. I guess I'll take 343. On that note, we have a few analysts that are covering the stock and giving this thing a buy rating. So I'll let you go ahead and look this up, Directors Talk Interviews, but CLSN, take a look, add it to your watch list. Let's see what it does. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Should I keep plugging my show? Subscribe, 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 subscribe.